Hi, Aditya Singh and Shivam Dikshit from MHRM IIT Kharagpur present to you the best approach to relationship management, which is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the key to stress management. It proves to be essential for today's changing business dynamics. Emotional intelligence, commonly known as EQ, has become a widespread interest to psychological research. It was Salovey and Mayer who first introduced the term emotional intelligence, but it was popularized by Goleman with the publication of his influential book Emotional Intelligence in 1995, which appeared on the cover page of the Time magazine. Intelligence quotient and emotional quotient. Earlier it was believed that people with high IQ could alone become successful in personal, academic, family and professional life. Many people with high IQ may be productive and ambitious but found to be cold and detached. People with EQ, even with average IQ, have found to be more successful because they are social, empathetic and cheerful. IQ is mostly determined by genetics and so it cannot be changed drastically. But EQ is mostly learned and people can be trained. The definition of EI is an interrelated set of abilities that allow an individual to recognize, use and regulate emotions in an efficient and productive manner, thereby allowing effective dealing with the environment. The approaches to EI are Salovey and Mayer. The components of this approach are identifying emotions, using emotions, understanding emotions, managing emotions. Salovey and Mayer defines emotional intelligence as a subset of social intelligence that involves the ability to monitor one's own and others' feelings and emotions, to discriminate among them and to use this information to guide one's thinking and action. The other approach is the Goleman approach. The components of this approach are self-awareness, self-management, self-motivation, social awareness, and social skills. The next approach is the Barron approach. Intrapersonal skills, interpersonal skills, adaptability, self-management, general mood. People in good mood are better in inductive reasoning and creative problem solving. Intrapersonal, self-awareness, self-confidence and self-control. Social interpersonal, the components are empathy, motivation and social competence. Self-management, mood management, self-motivation, dealing with setbacks, dealing with stress, managing your time, energy, work, avoid unwanted addictive behavior. Managing others, maintain close relationship, motivating others, leading others, developing others, confronting others, collaborating with others. Elements of EI. Emotion perception, identifying one's emotional experiences of others, and value attributed to objects. Emotional assimilation, know how to use emotions to help shape judgment and behavior. Hence, emotion influencing, emotional information processing. The other elements are emotion understanding and emotion regulation. Emotion regulation involves person's attempts to influence which emotions they have, how they experience and express these emotions. Daniel Goleman explains this as what really matters for success, character, happiness and lifelong achievements is a definite set of emotional skills. Your EQ, not just purely cognitive abilities that are measured by conventional IQ tests. Life is a series of experiences. Each one of these makes us bigger. Even though it is hard to realize this, for the world was built to develop character and we must learn that the setbacks and grief we endure help us out in marching forward. With these inspiring words of Henry Ford, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.